This video details the operation instructions after batteries have already been connected to the tester. Please refer to the user manual for more information. Push the Start button to initiate the test. The green LED will illuminate and the contactor will close in 10 seconds. The contactor will open again after 15 seconds. The red LED will flash, indicating the test is complete. Record the voltage of battery 1 and 2 after the test is finished. After the test has been completed, the tester will go through a mandatory 15-minute cooldown cycle. Please note that the cooldown cycles vary depending on the model of battery tester. To find out more about your battery tester's cooldown cycle, please contact us. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please check out the rest of our channel and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.